Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video it's going to be more so of like this is going to be more so of like an information style type of video. We're going to be talking about Dawn dish soap, washing your hair in Dawn dish soap. I am going to be addressing some of the concerns, some of the comments, if I can remember them off the top of my head, because a lot of them honestly I have forgotten. Okay, but you guys can definitely leave some comments down below and I'll probably make a part 2 if you guys want me to make a part 2, but I just thought that this video would be kind of important to make. So anyways, I don't really want to ramble. Let's jump right in. Okay, so guys, I am just going to be telling you all how I use Dawn dish soap, and I think it is super effective, and how I think that you should use it too. I not only use it on my hair, I use it on my makeup brushes. Of course, I use it to wash my dishes. I mean, I think everybody uses it to like clean up with and all that kind of stuff like that. But I feel like Dawn dish soap is very effective because it strips everything. Okay, when it comes to grease, dirt, grime, Dawn dish soap literally strips it all. It will strip all of the oils and everything out of your hair, which was a concern for people. People were like, okay, it makes your hair so dry and you're not supposed to use that, yada 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 yada. I've been using it for years, but I think some people are getting it a little misconstrued, because people are thinking that I use it continuously every day. It's just like, it's not like that. I only literally wash my hair every 7 to 8 months. I'm trying to go a little bit longer, but anyways, I wash my hair. That's the only time that I wash it, and that's pretty much when I texlax. Also, if I chose to texlax, okay, because sometimes I just wash without even texlaxing and I'll braid it back up. Now, after going for so long, I do have a lot of built up grease and grime, and also the got to be gel. It's always stuck in like my edges sometimes. So when I, to really get that out and get my hair squeaky clean, I go in with an initial wash with Dawn dish soap. I did learn this technique from an African lady many years ago. She taught me it when I used to get a lot of braids. Okay, so she started washing my hair with it. I freaking freaked out. Okay, and also my mom freaked out until like she started explaining to us exactly why. She was saying that when your hair is super dirty, it's just saturated with dirt and oils, it's really good to go in with Dawn first and then go in with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Some people felt like I was just using Dawn alone, and that's not what I do. Literally, if you want your, like I said, if you want your hair like literally like okay, I would suggest doing an initial wash with Dawn. Whether you're taking out a wig or braids, or your hair is just really gunky, I would suggest it. I even have washed a friend's dreads in Dawn dish soap. It just strips it all out. Like heavy dandruff, I know a lot of people who have heavy dandruff and who like suffer from that. Dawn dish soap, it's gonna get it all out and you're gonna be good. It's gonna keep your scalp clean for a while. It's not damaging to the hair. I wouldn't say it's something that you should use very regularly. Okay, I honestly do not think that you should use soap in your hair very regularly like shampoo. I don't think you should shampoo your hair a lot, because doing like a clarifying wash with some conditioner is just fine. Whenever you're using soap on your hair continuously, you are stripping those oils. Okay, you're stripping those good healthy oils, and that's not a good thing. So you want to try not to wash your hair as much. Okay, again, take everything I said with a grain of salt. I mean, don't take it as law. A lot of people take it as law. Different strokes for different folks is just what I can say. Okay, I'm an advocate for those lines. Take everything with a grain of salt, and different strokes for different folks. Just because I am saying to do something or something works better for me, by all means, that does not mean to go strictly by the book. Okay, and I'm gonna make another video on like me stretching my hair and things like that. But anyways, yes, it has never done any damage or harm to my hair. My hair has never fallen out. You guys already know what my hair looks like. I have a pretty good amount of growth, even though I recently cut it back in back in September. It's actually about to be a full year next month since I cut my hair into a bob. So anyways, yeah, it's never done anything to my hair. I would definitely recommend it to you ladies. Like I said, especially when you are taking down braids or taking down a wig, you've gotten in the pool or something like that. I would definitely recommend it. Done dish soap is one of those type of things where like you're one and done. Like you wash your hair with Done and you don't need a lot. You just practically need like a dime size or maybe 2 dime size in the palm of your hand and you're good, okay? Because a little goes a long way with that. So I would recommend it. I would love to know what you guys think about it. I know some people are really just can't believe it. They're not with it. They're like, oh, you know, don't listen to her. What does she know? Like, I've read some of the craziest comments, but like I said, don't take it as law. But I would say give it a try, because remember that old saying where it says, don't knock it till you try it. And I am a very strong believer in that. Do not knock it until you try it, okay? So anyways, guys, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below and we'll be sure to discuss, and I'll see y'all in the next one.